National Anti-Crime and Human Rights of India. This organization registered under Niti Aayog, Central Government of India. I am John Samuel Kim, founder and national chairman. Today I am revealing some scams in Mumbai, Maharashtra related to Dobighat compound, Ravasi, Sevasan, Worli, Mumbai. In this place, this is actually slum area. In this slum area, there are 850 families who are living since 60 to 70 years. But what happened? Now this place was captured by Slum Rehabilitation Authority and also BMC. So they hand over this property to society people and to also developers. But what the developers and society has done, the society committee members, they have cheated people with SRA authorities and the BMC people. They have joined together and they have cheated people. Now this construction was stopped. This construction nearly 38 floors constructed by developer. The developer name is Omega Shelters developer. And now this 850 families, they don't have house, they don't have a shelter. They are living in the streets. Some of them are living in the footpath. Some of them are living in the rented places. Since lockdown, after lockdown, they have not money, they don't have money to pay the rent also. Now this building stopped. Nearly 12 years this building was stopped totally. These people have no fundamental rights. Every rights they have lost. This is totally human rights violation. And politicians involved in this, and Slum Rehabilitation Authority officers also involved in this scam, and BMC also officers involved in this, and developer involved in this, and also this society committee people also cheated this 850 families. Now these families are facing so many problems. They don't have a shelter to live. These all the officers did crime and corruption. They cheated so many crores. This is what the scam is happening in the Mumbai, not only in Worli. This Dobighat compound, in all over Mumbai, there are so many scams like this only happening. The slum rehabilitation authority people, officers, they are cheating people, doing corruption, so much of corruption. Nobody is asking, nobody is questioning. But today we get complaints from 850 families. They have complained to our organization, National Anti-Crime and Human Rights of India. We are fighting for them. We are fighting for their rights. Actually, we are fighting for their rights, what they lost. Now so many families, they are ready to take attempt suicide. Yes, so many of them are ready to suicide. That condition today happening in this area. So we are taken very big issue on this, and we are taking this issue as a very big level. And I will take this issue all over India, national wise, and everybody should know that what people suffering, how much people are suffering here. So I just won't leave this until and unless these people wants to get justice. That's our intention, that is our aim. So they have given complaint to us. So we are also inquiring and we are also investigating. We are taking all departments' cooperation and we are doing this complaint. We are investigating. So all people also, public also should understand, and public also should cooperate us. So thank you very much. And Maharashtra, Mumbai team, especially our National Anti-Crime and Human Rights of India team, so much of hardly they are working. They are putting their efforts and to give justice for these poor people, for these slum people, children, senior citizens. There are so many problems having health issues. So there is no shelter to them. Where they live, now they are suffering like this. So this is totally human rights violation. Totally this is human rights violation. So everybody should take action against this, and you all cooperate us and we will give justice to them. So thank you very much. And if anything you want to contact us, so below we have numbers. That my number is 91485-48032. You may call me and I will be there for you. Whatever problem you have, you can call me. I will help you. I will give you justice. Thank you very much. Thank you Maharashtra, and thank you National Anti-Crime Human Rights, and I thanks very much for the Marathi people. Thank you very much.